Hey, what's up, third graders? Today we're going to be talking about subtracting when unbundling is needed once. Alright, let's get started. Alright, 234 minus 18. Always start with your first number, so we're going to build that. We got 4 ones, 3 tens, and 2 hundreds. Our second number tells us what we're taking away. So we see we have to take away 8 ones, but notice we don't have 8 ones to take away. So this is where unbundling comes in. We're going to take one of our tens and unbundle it into 10 ones. Now we have enough to take away. So I can take away 8 of my ones now. Now, let's move on to my tens place, take away 1 10, and what's left is our answer. Alright, so you have 200, 10, and 6. So our answer is 216. Let's see what this looks like the written method. So first we write 234 and we'll carefully line up our place values. So 8 goes under the 4, 1 goes under the 3. We look at our ones place, we see 4 we can't take away 8 from. So we have to borrow from the tens place, add 10. Now we can do 14 minus 8, 6. And then 2 minus 1 gives us 1. And then lastly our 2 hanging out in the hundreds place, we can just bring down, so we have 216. And there we've just unbundled a 10 into the ones place in order to subtract. Alright, let's try another one. 780 minus 432. So remember, we start with our first number, so we see we have 8 tens and 7 hundreds. Now we have to subtract by place value. So I see I have to take away 2 ones, but I don't have any ones to take away. So I have to unbundle from my tens place. We take one of our tens, we unbundle it or break it into 10 ones, and now we can take 2 away. I move to my tens place, see take away 3 of them, move to my hundreds place, take away 4 of them. What's left? I have 340 and 8, so our answer is 348. Alright, let's look at how to do that with the written method. So again, write 780. We write our second number, being careful to line up by place values. We start in our ones, we see we can't take 2 away from 0, so we have to unbundle or borrow from the 8, so that becomes 7. Now we have 10 ones. Alright, now we can subtract. 10 minus 2 is 8. 7 minus 3 gives us 4. And in our hundreds place, 7 minus 4 gives us 3. Our answer is 348. So again, the key here is to remember anytime your first number has a smaller number than the bottom number, you have to unbundle or borrow in order to get enough to subtract. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace out.
Created using Powtoon.